Hey, tech enthusiasts, ever wonder why you often hear Kubernetes and Docker mentioned together? Stick around as we unravel the mystery behind these powerhouse technologies and why it's not an either or a question. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Kubernetes and Docker. We'll explore what they are, how they work together, and why both are essential for modern development. Let's get started. Before we jump into the tech, let's talk about something unrelated but fascinating. Did you know that signs in your feet can indicate liver issues? Swelling, yellowish skin, and chronic itching are all red flags. Your liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying your body and metabolizing fats. A healthy liver is essential for weight loss. It helps break down fats and remove toxins from your body. When your liver is not functioning properly, it can slow down your metabolism and make it harder to lose weight. So, keeping your liver healthy is key. Alright, back to our main topic. First, let's break down what Docker and Kubernetes are. Docker is a platform that allows developers to create, deploy, and run applications inside containers. These containers are lightweight, portable, and ensure consistency across different environments. Think of Docker containers as virtual packages that hold everything your application needs to run: code, libraries, dependencies. This means your app runs the same, whether it's on your local machine, a test server, or in the cloud. Now, Kubernetes comes into play when you have multiple containers to manage. Kubernetes is an open-source platform designed to automate deploying, scaling, and operating containerized applications. It's like a conductor orchestrating a symphony of containers, ensuring they work harmoniously. Kubernetes handles load balancing, storage orchestration, and automated rollouts and rollbacks. This means it can scale your application up or down based on demand, replace failed containers, and manage resources efficiently. Imagine you're running a microservices architecture with several containers for different services like user authentication, payment processing, and notifications. Docker helps you package each service into a container, while Kubernetes ensures these containers communicate effectively, scale as needed, and recover from failures. So, here are your key takeaways. Use Docker to create and manage containers for your applications. Use Kubernetes to orchestrate and scale those containers efficiently. Together, they provide a robust and scalable solution for modern application development. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights and updates. Stay tuned, and let's keep innovating together.